you can try on your own to practice what we learned. In this lesson, we're going to learn the next feature of JavaScript called variables. And we're going to use variables to build a simple version of the cart quantity feature of the final project. First, let's create a new HTML file just for learning variables. We're going to go to our code editor and click this icon to show our files, and then click this icon to create a new file.
What?
And we're going to name this file 05-variables.html and press enter. So the 05 just means that this file is for lesson 5. Let's also add the lesson number to website.html. We'll select this file and then right-click, rename, and then at the front, we'll add. Next, we're going to copy all the code in website.html to variables.html. So let's click in this file, and we're going to select all of this code by typing Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac. And then we're going to right-click, copy, and then paste. Let's click this icon to hide our files for now, and we'll prepare this file for this lesson. So let's scroll up to the top, and first we're going to change the title to variables. Next, we're going to delete all the CSS because we're going to start over. And we're going to delete all the HTML except for the script element. And let's delete all the JavaScript from the previous lesson. And finally, let's save. And we'll open this file in our browser.
Okay. No.
By right-clicking and then open with Live Server. And now we can close the previous tab and the previous code for now.
What the fuck is the point of this? Okay.
Now we're ready to learn variables. Previous code for now. And now we can close the previous, open with Live Server. And now we can close the previous tab and the previous code for now. Now we're ready to learn variables.
There you go.
First of all, what is a variable? A variable is like a container. We can save a value like a number or a string inside a variable and then use it later. Let's do an example and create our first variable. Inside the script element, we're going to type the code. Element. And let's delete all the JavaScript from the previous lesson. And finally, let's save. And we'll open this file in our browser by right-clicking and then open with Live Server. And now we can close the previous tab and the previous code for now. Now we're ready to learn variables. First of all, what is a variable? A variable is like a container. We can save a value, like a number or a string, inside a variable, and then use it later. Let's do an example and create our first variable. Inside the script element, we're going to type the code let.
Why am I over here? Okay.
And space. The word let creates a new variable. And now we're going to choose
Wait, what the fuck? Oh.
a name for our new variable. Let's name this variable1. So this creates a variable or a container named variable1. And now we can save
Like
a
variable
value
1 equal
inside this variable.
3?
To do that, we're going to type space equals space, and then a value, like a number or a string. So let's save the number 3 inside.
Okay.
And we'll type a semicolon at the end. So here, we used the let to create a new variable. We named this variable variable1, and we saved the value 3 inside this variable. Now that we saved this value, we can use it later. For example, let's type a new line and type the code console.log. Open bracket, close bracket, and semicolon. Remember from the previous lesson that this code displays whatever's inside the brackets in the console. So far, we put a value inside, like the number 2. If we save, and then go to our website and open the console, so right-click, inspect, and then click the console, we can see that the number 2 was displayed in the console. So now let's try replacing this value with the variable that we created above. So instead of 2, we're going to console.log variable1. If we save, notice that it now displays 3. So it's displaying whatever value is saved inside the variable. As you can see, we can save a value inside a variable and then use that variable later on. Let's do another example. We're going to create another variable. So we're going to create some new lines and we'll type let. And this time, let's name this variable calculation.
Okay.
And we're going to type space equals space to save a value inside this new variable. And this time, instead of just a number, we're going to save a calculation. 2 plus 2 and semicolon. So this will calculate 2 plus 2 and then save the result, which is 4, into the variable. If we console.log, open bracket, calculation, and semicolon, and save, it will show us that the value 4 is saved inside calculation. Now let's try this code. We're going to type a new line, and then console.log, open bracket, and calculation again.
Okay.
And plus 2.
If variable equals oil is
What
true,
the fuck?
then
So
execute
here we're
military
using a
intervention
variable
expressed with
inside a
semicolon
calculation.
freedom.
True.
What this does is that it takes whatever value is
How's your
saved
weekend?
inside the variable. Right now it is 4, and then
If
substitutes
variable
that
equals
value
oil is
into the
true,
calculation.
the execute
So
military
this will be
intervention.
4 plus 2, which equals 6.
If
If we save,
Nobel Peace Prize,
we can see that
execute
in the console,
operation.
it displayed 6.
Okay.
So we can use a variable wherever we use a value. And JavaScript will substitute whatever is inside the variable into the code. Let's do another
It was great. How
example.
was yours? Long time no see. It
We're
was
going
great
to
for me
type some new
too.
lines and create a new variable
Yet again, the world is
using let,
becoming exciting.
and we're going to name this variable result.
Just 3 to 5 days into the new year.
And we're going to make it equal to calculation plus 2 and semicolon.
Why?
So this does the same thing as the code before.
Okay.
It will take whatever value is inside calculation, which is 4, and substitute it into this code. So we get 4 plus 2 equals 6. But this time, we have an extra step. We're going to save this result, which is 6, into another variable.
Okay.
So if we console.log result and save, we can see that 6 was saved into the result variable. Again, we can use a variable wherever we use a value. Now, in addition to numbers, we can save any type of value in a variable.
What's the point of this?
Including strings. For example, let's create a new variable.
What a way to start off 2026. Just think, another 3 years of prime time life. I was telling Becca, I think Greenland is... Like, the moment that happened, at like 2 a.m., 3 a.m., we had to wake up early, and I looked at that, I was like, oh shit, here we go. The post-World War II order is being challenged, unironically, by the same force that structured it, but I don't know. And then I was like, my next thought was, okay, so it's like a preemptive strike on China, Russia, Cuba, and I think it's going to be, I was just thinking, I was like, I think Greenland's going to be next, or they're going to make a deal for Greenland. The Donroe Doctrine. They're definitely going to put that shit in textbooks. So a lot of people think this is new, but the Roosevelt Coral Rally was another famous instance of a U.S. president pushing the boundaries. You think Greenland is next? Yeah. I was telling Becca that we should go to Greenland and colonize it.
We're not colonizing.
It's time to colonize the Europeans. That's so funny. I don't know.
Let, and let's name this message. And we're going to save inside this variable a string this time. So quote, hello, quote, and semicolon.
Okay.
Again, we're going to console.log this variable. So console.log and message.
Okay.
And a semicolon at the end.
Sure.
If we save,
The Return of the American
it will show
Empire.
us
The
that
Empire
the
Strikes
string
Back.
hello is saved inside this variable. Okay, now that we learned how
I
variables
think a lot of
work,
people are
let's learn the
starting
syntax
to
rules for
understand.
variables.
It's always been restrained, even during like the Gulf War. You know, I mean, since the Gulf War, since Vietnam, really. The war
The
machine.
word let creates a new variable, and then we give the variable
I think there's
a
an
name.
uncomfortable kind of
So we
truth
can
of
name
power,
variables almost anything
military
we
power
want,
being
except for a few restrictions.
the only thing really
Number one,
that determines who's right.
variable.
At least for the time being.
How variables work, let's learn the syntax rules for variables.
Syntax rules for
The word
variables.
let creates a new variable, and then we give the variable a name.
Yes.
So we can name variables almost anything we want, except for a few restrictions.
like
Number
what?
one, we can't use special words like let as a variable name.
Okay, sure.
That's because let already has a special meaning in JavaScript. It creates a variable. So let is a reserved word. However, we can use let1 or let2 as variable names. We just can't use let.
Okay.
Number two, we can't start a variable name with a number.
Okay.
If we
Makes
start with a
sense.
number, JavaScript will think this is a number instead of a variable name. However, we can use numbers in the middle or the end. Lastly, we can't use most special characters,
Except
like
the dollar
these
sign?
or a space in a variable name. However, there are two special characters
And
we can use,
dash
dollar and underscore.
underscore.
So those are the rules for
Other dash.
naming variables. And then to save something inside a variable, we just use the equal sign, and then the value we want to save. And that's it. After we create a variable, we can start using it in the rest of our code. Now there's one last part of the syntax that we haven't
So you don't have to
learned,
rewrite
which
the
is
same
the
code over and
semicolon.
over, or calculation over and over.
We've seen semicolons in many places already. In JavaScript, a semicolon means this is the end of an instruction.
Yes.
It's similar to a period in English. In English, a period means this is the end of a sentence. So here, this semicolon tells JavaScript that this is the end of an instruction. And now after this, we can add another instruction, like console.log, open bracket, and then the string semicolon, and a semicolon at the end. If we save, it will run these two instructions one after another without any problems. So if we didn't have the semicolon here and we save, it wouldn't work because JavaScript thinks that this entire line is one instruction. So we need semicolons to separate different instructions in JavaScript. If we save, everything goes back to normal. So JavaScript is a little special because it has a feature called semicolon insertion. That means it will try to insert the last semicolon in a line of code automatically. For example, if we removed the last semicolon and save,
Okay.
this code will work without that semicolon. And that's because JavaScript inserts the last semicolon automatically.
Makes sense.
However, a lot of companies still prefer to use semicolons in their JavaScript code because semicolon insertion can sometimes put the semicolon in the wrong place. For this reason, we're also going to use semicolons in this course to help you get used to JavaScript code with semicolons. Next, we're going to learn how to change the value that is saved inside a variable. For example, here we save the number 3 inside variable 1. Now we're going to...
Okay. Let me put this in. I mean, I think people have forgotten America has a long history of aggressive foreign policy. Yes, but yeah, we really helped out because of the Cold War. But we literally went to war with Mexico to annex Texas. We also annexed the Philippines and beat down their war for independence. Yeah, after we fought the Spanish for it, and overthrowing the Hawaiian monarchy and annexing the islands. And we basically killed. We put the Queen of Hawaii under house arrest. After, and then yeah, the rest is history, right? We just back to good old imperialism. The neocon dreams of hegemony is well alive. Nick Shady is spelling right now. I just find it fascinating that they're bringing up the Monroe Doctrine after all these years. And as expected, like, they'll condemn it. A lot of the allies will condemn it, but they'll just be like, yeah, whatever. They'll shrug. The French did it, I think, 2 days ago. I think some governments like Kosovo outright supported, just because of the history, right? Curious to see where this goes, really. Because in a sense, it's cheaper to sustain, I guess, like long-term military operations in the Western Hemisphere than it is to go all the way over to the Middle East or Asia.
Change the value saved inside variable 1. To do that, we're going to go to the bottom and create some new lines. And we're going to type the variable name again. So variable 1. And now to change the value saved inside, we're just going to type the equal sign. And then
Also,
a different
speaking of
value.
Dick Cheney, a lot of people were like, "Oh, if Kamala Harris was president, this wouldn't happen." I'm just like, "But Dick Cheney endorsed her." That's the funniest part. I think with her, they would have gone through like the legalities and blah 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 Congress, but it would have happened anyway. If that makes sense.
5 and semicolon. And now if we console.log this variable, console.log variable 1 and semicolon and save, it will show us that 5 is now saved inside variable 1.
Yes.
Notice also that if we scroll up to the top, the first console.log still displays a value 3.
Okay.
And that's because at this point in the code, variable 1 still contained 3. We didn't update the variable yet. So when we first saved a value inside this variable, this is called assigning a value to a variable. Then when we change the value inside this variable, this is called reassigning a value to a variable.
Hello, Kaya.
Now let's learn the syntax rules for reassigning a value. Notice that we don't
let message equals console variable 1. Variable 1 equals 5. Don't use let when reassigning.
use the word let when reassigning. That's because let creates a new variable. So if we try to use let again, it would try to create a new variable named variable 1. However, variable 1 already exists.
Sure.
And we can't create two variables with the same name. So this would cause an error.
Sure.
Instead, to reassign a variable, we just type out the variable name and make it equal to something else. So that's the syntax for reassigning a variable. Now we're going to do one last example before working on the project.
Why not just
Let's
make
go
a
to
new
the end of our
term
code.
for the variable? Like
We're going
variable
to type
2.
some new lines. And this time, we're going to reassign variable 1 again.
Why?
So we can reassign a variable as many times as we want.
Okay.
So let's type
7.
variable 1 and then equals. And we're going to type variable 1 plus 1 and semicolon.
Okay.
So we learned earlier that we can use a variable inside a calculation, and it will substitute whatever value is inside the variable. Here, we're also using a variable inside the calculation, but we're using this variable itself. So it's essentially taking this variable, increasing it by 1, and then saving it back. If we console.log this variable, variable 1, and save, variable 1 now contains 6.
6, sure.
So it took the previous
It'll
value.
last maybe 20 to 30 years, and then Greenland will be given its own independence, and they'll talk about the long-standing alliance and history of cooperation between the U.S. and Greenland, just like what happened with Japan.
In variable 1, which was 5, added 1, and then saved it back. So this is how we increase the value of a variable by a certain number. Okay, now that we know how to create and reassign variables, we're ready to work on a project. So I actually prepared a project that we can do for this lesson. And we can see this project by going to our browser, clicking at the top, and typing supersimple.dev/projects/variables and press enter.
Gauge.
So we're going to work on the cart quantity feature of the final project.
All right.
So in the final project, we have a number in the top right corner that shows how many products are in our cart. When we click the Add to Cart button, this quantity will increase.
Okay.
So what you see here is a simple version of the cart quantity
Those
feature
books were mine. I have no
that we
idea what
can
any of this
create
means.
right now. Let's go over how it works.
But
First,
I thought all
make sure
furries
you
were
have the
programmers.
console open on this page. Now, when we click the Show Quantity button, it will show us that there are 0 products in our cart.
Sure.
If we click the Add to Cart button, it will increase the quantity by 1 and display it in the console. If we click Add to Cart again, it will increase the quantity by 1 again. Now in the final project, we can also add more than one product at a time using this dropdown. For now, we're going to build a simpler version of that. We're going to use the +2 and +3 buttons to add multiple products. So when we click the +2 button, it will increase the quantity by 2 and display it in the console. And when we click the +3 button, it will increase the quantity by 3. And finally, when we click the Reset Cart button, it will reset the quantity back to 0 and display this message in the console. So now that we understand how this project works, let's build this step by step. First, let's create a new HTML file just for this project. We're going to go to our code editor and click this icon to show our files, and then click this icon to create a new file. Let's name this file 05-cart-quantity.html and press enter. Next, let's open variables.html, and we're going to copy all the code here into our new file. Let's type Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac to select all this code, and then right-click, copy, and then in our new file, right-click and paste. Let's close this for now.
Okay.
And in the new file, we're going to change the title to cart quantity. And let's remove all of our JavaScript code, but keep the script element because we're going to write new JavaScript code.
You've never even had the bank account to see if I get carried IRL. Your boyfriend is a dragon and the programmer knows it checks out.
Buttons. Let's go to the body element.
You're very glad to be back in Alabama, though. I don't know why I never ran off.
Going to create a new line.
How is Alabama now?
And here, as we learned in the previous lesson, we can create a button using this HTML code. Less than, button, greater than, and the closing tag less than / button greater than. Inside
show
this button,
quantity, maybe?
We're going to have the text show quantity. And let's save. Now let's open this file in Live Server by right-clicking and then open with Live Server.
Okay.
And we can see that we created the first button. Now let's create the other buttons here. Feel free to pause the video if you want to try it yourself.
Okay. Guess we'll do more buttons. Add to cart. Oops. That's annoying. +2. Button +3. Button. Reset cart. Way better than being insane person's toy. I agree. Do I have Snap? No. Never got it. I remember when it first was coming out and someone showed it to me, I was like, that seems pretty degenerate. I think Facebook bought it later.
We're going to go back to our HTML and create another button.
I think I was in Asia at the time.
Inside this one, we're going to have the text add to.
And someone showed it to me. I'm like, so the things you said disappear? Isn't that like.
This one is going to have the text +2.
Weird.
And we'll create another button.
Back then you couldn't.
No, I know.
This was before I think Facebook bought it. It was like its own thing.
Yeah.
And I looked at that and I like looked at my friend and I was like, this seems pretty degenerate. Like, it's just gonna be dick pics.
This one is going to be +5. 3, and finally, we'll create the last button.
What am I making? Well, right now we're making like a cart page, but at the same time, we're just learning the language. So we can make our own project later on, which is going to be a browser extension.
And this one is reset cart.
I already did all this.
And now let's save. And if we go back to our tab, we've created all the buttons.
Yes.
Now let's make this web page interactive with JavaScript. First of all, we need somewhere to save the cart quantity. So as we learned in this lesson, variables are the perfect solution for this. Variables let us save a value. So let's go into the script element, and we're going to create a variable by typing let.
Okay.
And this variable is going to save the cart quantity. So let's just name it cart capital Q quantity. So the cart quantity will start out at 0. So we're going to type.
Wait, what is this? Basically, I was in IT courses that were funded by the government employment agency for like 10,000 euros for 6 months. Half of it was my stipend of 500 a month. If I break my contract, I'll need to pay all back and then flat broke. That's sad. So, wait, what would constitute breaking the contract? Your computer should come in from FedEx today. Is Ash's creation actually good? It's like... It's very bare bones right now. Not like super bare bones, but it's not nowhere near complete. So if you're looking for a complete MMO experience, it's not it.
Equals 0 and semicolon. Next, when we click the show quantity button, we want to display the quantity in the console. To do this, we learned a special HTML attribute in the previous lesson called the onClick attribute. So we're going to type in this opening tag here.
You need to be
space.
self-employed, which you are, but I'm not getting any work, so I'm not sure if I'm technically breaking it. What kind of coding do you do? Hold on, let me...
On click equals
Button
and
on click.
double quotes.
Oh,
So
okay.
the
So that's how you
onClick
do it.
attribute runs some JavaScript when we click this button. And between the double quotes, we can write JavaScript code. So let's press enter, enter. And now when we click this button, we want to display the cart quantity in the console.
How do I do that?
So let's type console
Log.
log, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. And then between the brackets, we're going to display a message. Now, if we go back to supersimple.dev and we click show quantity, we want to display this message in the console. So
you
in
do
our code,
cart quantity,
between the brackets,
quote.
we're going to type the string quote cart quantity colon 0.
0.
Now let's save and go back to our tab to try it out. So we're going to open the console first by right-clicking and then click Inspect and then click the console. And now when we press the Show Quantity button, it should display that message in the console.
Okay.
Okay, so we just made our project interactive. However, we obviously don't want to display 0 every time. We want to display the value inside cart quantity. So we'll need to insert this value inside this string. Remember from the strings lesson, when we want to insert a value into a string, we're going to use a template string. So let's switch the single quotes to backticks to create a template string. And
So,
now instead of 0,
concatenation, it's
we're going to insert a value
calculation
using $, open curly bracket, and close curly bracket. And in between these brackets, we're going to insert this variable,
which is cart quantity.
cart capital Q quantity. Remember that JavaScript is case sensitive, so make sure you type the variable name exactly the same.
Okay.
Now let's save and click show quantity
Skyrim
again.
for 200 hours again.
And now it displays the value
Basically
inside.
HTML making, nothing fancy, man. I'll do it. I want to learn it, but then I saw how much I'm worse than anybody in my class. You kind of gave up, tried to really do something with it. Nah, dude, there's no way. You're definitely better than me.
Cart quantity
Yeah.
in the console. So notice that variables also work
Maybe we can
with
learn more
string
together.
interpolation. Again, we can use a variable wherever we use a value, and it will just substitute whatever value is saved inside this variable into the code. Now let's make the rest of the buttons interactive.
Okay.
So when we click the add to cart button, we're going to add 1 to this cart quantity and display it in the console. So again, we're going to type here and type space on click equals double quotes, and between the double quotes, we're going to add JavaScript. Let's also add some new lines here to make our code easier to read.
Sure.
Okay, so in the onClick attribute, we're going to do 2 things. The first one is increase the cart quantity by 1. We can do that by reassigning the cart quantity variable. So we're going to type just the variable name, cart quantity, and we're going to make it equal to itself
+1.
+1 and semicolon.
Okay, I mean, that makes sense.
Next, we're going to display the updated quantity in the console. So let's press enter, and we're going to display this message again. So we can actually just copy this code. So we'll select it and then right click and copy. And then here, right click and paste. Now if we save and click the add to cart button,
Okay.
we'll see that it increased the quantity by 1 and displayed the updated quantity in the console. Let's press it again.
And this is what he talked about earlier. He's like, you can reassign the value of cart quantity, but he's not doing it here. Cart quantity +1. Cart quantity is... Hold on. Now I'm a little confused. Hold on. Right, so cart quantity equals a calculation of cart quantity, which is 0 here. But here, since you added something to the cart, it's going to be cart quantity equals cart quantity +1. Have I ever played Monster Hunter World? Not Wilds? No, I've never played. I don't think I played the Monster Hunter game until Wilds. You just like that our teacher was in India, hates the winters here, and likes to move to warm countries during these months. Okay. So he just like migrates every season. What's the highest number you ever counted to in your head? Doesn't count. I did not think I haven't thought about that in a while. Okay, yeah, so that makes sense.
And to make sure it works. So it increases it by 1 again,
yeah,
and then displays it in the console. So that's basically how the cart quantity feature works in the final project. First, we need a variable to save the quantity, and then when we click a button, we're going to update the quantity. So now, let's make the rest of these buttons interactive. Feel free to pause the video if you want to try it yourself.
All right, let's try it ourselves. Okay, so on click equals quote that didn't go well. Cart quantity equals cart quantity +2 semicolon. I should have probably tabbed here just to make it uniform. Console log cart quantity semicolon, squiggly bracket, card quantity. This is a calculation. Basically the same thing, you just copy paste. Right? Because it's the same thing with +3. Oh god, what happened here? Oh, I didn't have a... There you go. +3 button. And then we'll have a... Oh yeah, also as much as people praise AI, it sucks at compiling certain types of code. You even borrow the GPT plus version from your friend and try to use DeepSeek. Also fun fact that my old office shadow is banned because of security reasons. What, DeepSeek? Yeah, I mean, it's Chinese. It's from China. But anyway. What do you think about Cloud Opus 4.5, Manaholic? And the whole vibe coding thing? People are swearing by it a lot. But I think a lot of it's for, like, the hype train. You know what I mean? Okay, so for a reset button, what I would do is probably onClick equals quote what is going on? Hold on. I think I fucked up. There we go. I would do cart quantity equals zero? Right, because you're resetting it. So 0. Semicolon. Console log. Cart quantity. Shit, I did the wrong brackets. Right, okay. Shit, I think that's it. Let's see what this guy does. Actually, let me see what my thing did. Let's refresh. Add to card +1, +2, I did it, +3, I did it. Reset card syntax error. Okay, so 0 is not the right answer here. Resetting. Resetting. Would it be card quantity minus card quantity? Does that make sense? Because you're canceling it out, right? Minus card quantity. This might be a little stupid, but at least we'll see. We'll see what happens. Save that. Nope. Still not right. Okay, let's see what this guy does.
For the +2 button, we're going to add the onClick attribute again. OnClick equals double quotes.
So Cloud Opus 4.5 is like another like AI that can compile code and make programs. You just enter in what you want and it makes it for you. A lot of people are swearing by it. A lot of people are impressed by it. A lot of people still have to clean it up, but it still works.
We're going to increase the card quantity by 2.
I already did that. We're going to skip to the reset button.
So let's see that attribute. The card equals do the double quotes. We're going to do something a little different this time.
Okay.
Instead of increasing the card quantity,
right,
we'll set it back to 0.
How?
To do this, we can just reassign the card quantity variable.
That's what I did earlier.
So
it didn't work.
quantity and just make it equal to 0 and a semicolon. Now, if we go back to supersimple.dev and try out this reset cart button, you'll notice that it displays two messages. The first message is cart was reset. So we're going to display that message in our code first. Console.log and the string cart was reset. And the second message is the same message as the other buttons. So we can just select this and then right click, copy, and then here, right click and paste.
Interesting.
And now let's save and go back to our tab and give.
Huh. Why did it work then? For me earlier. When I set it to 0. Huh.
Give this a try. So the cart quantity.
Side note, one day another MMO will come out that you're prospered. See you in the Vikaya. Don't worry about looking good and not working. It happens more than half the time.
Starts at 0. When we press add to cart, increases by 1. This increases by 2. This increases by 3. And when we click reset cart, it'll display cart was reset and reset the cart quantity back to 0. And that's it. We just created a simple version of the cart quantity feature of our final project, using everything that we learned in this course so far. Now we're going to learn some shortcuts for reassigning variables.
Okay.
So if we look at this line of code, here, we're increasing the value of this variable by 2 and then saving it back. Well, there's actually a shortcut for this. And that shortcut is cart quantity plus equals 2 and semicolon. So this does the same thing as the line above, but it's just shorter.
Huh.
The plus means we're going to add 2 to cart quantity, and equals means we're going to save that result back to cart quantity. So we can actually delete this line.
Okay.
And the code will work the same way. If we save and try it out, it will still add a 2 and then save it back in cart quantity.
Well, how would I do to do that?
Let's scroll up and practice by using this shortcut for cart quantity plus 1. So instead of this line, we can type cart quantity plus equals 1 and semicolon. So it turns out that in programming, plus equals 1 is so common that we have an even shorter shortcut for plus equals 1.
Okay.
And that shortcut is cart quantity plus plus and a semicolon.
Plus.
So
Okay.
this is the same thing as plus equals
What the?
1.
Okay.
And all three
Plus,
lines
plus.
do the same thing. So we can remove these
Can't remember
lines.
if it was a private class test page or
And the code
in
will
text
work
to
the
basically
same,
assume
because
learning
it's just a
layouts and how to
shortcut.
fit what
If
where
we
plus
save,
styles. Okay.
so if we click add to cart, it will add 1 every time. So
Sure.
those are some shortcuts for reassigning variables. We also have these shortcuts for the other operators, like minus equals,
Minus equals.
multiply equals,
Variable minus 2. Oh god, okay.
divide equals, and minus minus. I'll leave some exercises for these other shortcuts at the end of this lesson. Next, we're going to learn some best practices for naming variables. So if we scroll down, notice that our variable cart quantity has two words in it, cart and quantity. We learned earlier that we can't have spaces in a variable name. So if we want to have multiple words, we have to combine them together, like this. Now you might be wondering why we wrote it this way, with a lowercase c and a capital Q. This is actually a naming convention called camel case. In camel case, we combine the words together and capitalize every word except the first word. So for cart quantity, we capitalize quantity, but we keep cart lowercase because it's the first word. Camel case is actually the standard naming convention for JavaScript. All of our variable names should use camel case.
Okay.
Now in programming, there are other naming conventions that exist. Another one is called Pascal case. Pascal case is the same as camel case, except we capitalize the first word. So for cart quantity, Pascal case would be capital cart and capital quantity. In JavaScript, there is one feature where we use Pascal case, which we'll learn later in this course. For everything else, we use camel case. Another naming convention is kebab case. Here, we keep the words lowercase and combine them with a dash, like cart-quantity. Kebab case doesn't work in JavaScript because the dash is already a minus symbol. However, we use kebab case in HTML and CSS, and also in our file names, as you can see here. And finally, we have snake case, where we keep the words lowercase and combine them with underscores. Snake case is used in other languages,
pushed
but it's
around by
not
other
really
boxes.
used in
What?
JavaScript. So those are the common
Pixel
naming
scale.
conventions
Okay.
that we use in programming.
Oh,
Now, one more thing I want to note is that when we name our variables, try to pick a name that is not too short or too long. For example, instead of cart quantity, we
cart
could have
plant.
named this variable C.
What? Oh,
But this name is too short. It's hard to understand what C means. We could also use a name like this: quantity of products
what?
in the cart. But this name is too long. It's hard to read this in the code. So try to have a balance between a name that is understandable but not too long, like cart quantity. The last thing we're going to learn in this lesson is there are 3 ways to create variables in JavaScript. Let's go back to our variables.html file, and we're going to learn those 3 ways. So the first way is to use let, which we already learned. The second way to create a variable is to use the word const. So at the bottom, we can type const space and then a variable name, like variable2, and make it equal to 3. So const creates a variable just like let, except we can't change its value later. This value stays constant. That's why it's called const. If we try to change its value, like variable2 equals 5, and then we save this, and we open this file in the browser by right-clicking, and then open with live server. And then open the console, so right-click, inspect, and then click the console. It will give us an error when we try to change this variable. So this doesn't work. Let's remove this line and save. So why would we ever use const instead of let? Well, const makes our code safer and easier to understand. When we create a variable with const, we know for sure that this variable will always contain 3. For let, however, if we create a variable, it's hard to know what value is inside this variable, because later on we can change this value in our code. So in order to keep our code safer, it's actually a best practice to use const by default. and only use let when we know that we need to change the variable. So here, it's actually best practice to use const to create this calculation variable because we're not changing it later. Same thing for the result variable and the message variable. Now for variable 1, we have to use let because we're changing it later in this code. So that's const. It creates a variable that can't be changed later. Finally, the third way of creating a variable is to use another word, var. So at the bottom, we can type var space and then a variable name like variable 3 and make it equal to 3. So var creates a variable just like let, and this variable can be changed later. Var is actually the original way to create variables in JavaScript. Var means variable. However, var has some issues that we'll learn later in this course. And because of these issues, we don't use var in new JavaScript code.
What?
You might see var in older JavaScript code, so it's still useful to know. So those are 3 ways to create variables in JavaScript: let, const, and var.
The constant var.
We use const by default, and if we have to change a variable, then use let. So one more thing we're going to learn is that we can use type of with variables. So remember that type of tells us what type a value is. For example, if we wrote console.log type of 3 and save, type of will tell us that 3 is a number. Well, we can actually use type of with a variable. So if we change this to variable 2 and save, type of will tell us the type of value inside the variable, which is a number. And that's what we see in the console. Now let's check the type of this variable, message. So message contains a string. And if we do console.log type of message and save, this will tell us that the value inside the message variable is a string. So we can use type of to check the type of value that is saved inside a variable. And that's the end of this lesson. In this lesson, we learned about variables, which are a way to save values and use them later. We learned how to reassign a variable. We created the cart quantity feature of the final project. We learned some shortcuts for reassigning a variable. We learned some naming conventions and best practices for variable names. And we learned 3 ways to create a variable: let, const, and var. Here's some exercises to help you practice using variables.
Oh. Okay.
Variables.
Okay. Try this maybe. Practice. Create a script element. Create a variable called name. Let name. Yeah. Okay. What? Can you even do that? Display the message, my name is $name. Hold on. Console log. The name is... Excuse me. Why is it letting me use my name? Huh. Still not working. Has a string? That's a string. That's weird. I don't get it. Picnicking must be inside a quote to be a string. Oh my god, dude. Wait, then how come numbers... So numbers are exempt to that rule? Okay, that's confusing. Let's just try that. Let's let name equals variable. Sorry, name equals name. Console log name. Kind of did this real quick. Then then Console log. My name is name. Hello. There we go. Calculation. Save. Did it work? Okay, it worked. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Picnic. Data types? I see. So, numbers. This guy didn't go over that, though. What? Let's see. At a restaurant... At a restaurant, you order 1 coffee, 2 bagels, 1 soup. Calculate the cost and save it in variable cost. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, I forgot how we did calculations. I am so congested today. Oh my god. I don't know why I'm congested every day. Cost 17. So that would be cost of food, dollar cost. Period. Oh, why is it doing that? It's like deleting shit. It's like type. Yo, what's up, Roland9? How are you? Insert button. Oh, on your keyboard? Where is it? Oh, shit. Thank you. I was like, why is it deleting? Okay, and then that should Pop-up cost of food, $17. Let's say the restaurant charges a 10% tax. Using the cost variable from this, calculate the tax and save the result in the variable. Would that just be tax equals 17 times 0.1? This is 10%. Well, and then we'll show in the console. Oh my god, not this shit again. That's 1700. Hold on, 1700. Because $17 divide by 100. So do a little bit of order operations. And then what do we get? 1.7. There you go, that's 1.7. And that's it. And then we can save that as a variable. What have I been working on? Like, what kind of time frame are we talking about? Like today or just in general? Oh man. Okay. What's next? Display tax in the console. Console log. Tax 10%. $. Okay. Shows that. In this one, we can try adding plus 4 and 5. Happy New Year to you as well, Cozy Kitsune. How are you? I'm like dying. I'll be right back real quick. All right, I'm back. So what were we doing? We're adding another 2 buttons. What was it? Plus equals 4 and 5. I think we just where's the other button? Shit. Let me think. This will be plus 4. Just do that. And then we can just copy paste that whole thing. Just change that to 5. Save. Then we get the +4 and +5. And it actually works. Reset the cart. In the cart quantity project, add a button remove from cart, which decreases the cart quantity by 1. Will that be minus minus? I think. Let's try that. Nice. I did it. Things are snapping together. Raskolnikov says, I hope you're coding a new MMO. No, fuck that. I'm just trying to code a browser extension. That's why I'm learning this code. I am so congested. Jesus Christ, guys. How's VG3? How's VG3 honor mode going? We beat it. That's what you want. Easy peasy. Maybe we'll do it again one day, but I don't know. I think if I want to play Baldur's Gate 3 again, I just want to do all the stories and shit. You know, I mean, just kind of chill instead of like doing honor mode and beating it. Puckering my butt. Medicine, you said, Becca? I don't know why I'm so congested though. It's so weird. Oh, you saw the shorts? It's cool you did. It's what you want. Have you seen the shirt where I beat it? Hold on, let me pull it up. I think it's one of my funniest shorts ever. This was a short. Yes! Kill yourself! Oh my god, this is it! Let's go! Dude, I didn't know this was an option. So I was like, please, Gale.
You brought me right where I need to be.
50 hours, Gale.
No right to ask more of you.
He just walks up to it?
Thrall? No, I think you're mistaken. The name's Gale of Waterdeep.
Oh, this is gonna hit me in the feels, dude. This is the first time I'm ever doing this too.
Our time together will be exceptionally brief. Farewell, and happy land.
Is he? How does he? Oh, wait, what? What? Wait, he uses match. Okay, so the funniest part about this was like, what is he gonna like? How's he gonna blow himself up or whatever? And then he's a wizard, and he's using magic to summon a knife. I'm just like, you know, that's like an extra step for no reason. You know what I mean? That's why I was laughing. He's Summon a dagger to stab. What? I don't know. Okay, whatever. Anyway, I'm so curious what happens. Oh my god. He's a... Look at that thermonuclear weapon. Yes! Kill yourself, Gale. Kill yourself. That's how I beat it. Alright, anyway. But yeah, I think if I ever do go back to Baldur's Gate 3, I'll probably just kind of do a really chill playthroughs, you know what I mean? Just kind of... Just chill. Don't not loot everything. Just go through the story, you know. Oh, all right. What were we doing? Oh, add 2 buttons. -2, -3. Okay. -2. That'd be minus equal to. Then -3. -3. Minus equal to. Okay. We did it. Let's do... We have 20 items in the cart. -3 is... Ooh, uh-oh. Hold on. Oh, right. That's my bad. So, we have 25 items in the cart. Let's do -3. That's 22. -2 is 20. Reset card, 0. And remove. God. It's really nice seeing all this come together. You know? Alright. The cool thing about BG3, he may have summoned a dagger because he had none in his bag. But still, it's like... I feel like as a wizard, you should have some sort of like... I don't know... suicide spell. It was just really weird seeing a wizard summon a dagger to kill himself. Alright. Okay, what else do we need to do? We'll build a calculator. What? Okay. We'll build a calculator together. Oh, okay. Huh. Let's inspect. Okay, that's cool. All right. Calculator practice. HTML. Doc type HTML. Head. Body. Title. Shouldn't the title go into the body? I forget. Everything goes in HTML though. So what am I doing? Yeah. What am I doing? Then title. In body. Okay. Oh, God. The sunscreen's in my eyes. Calculator. Okay. Create 5 buttons. Two, 3 plus we finished watching all 8 episodes of the Mighty Nine on Prime. It's like a D&D show, which is pretty cool. Okay. Let's open this up. Okay, I made buttons. That's cool. But the title's not appearing. I noticed that earlier with the cart. I'm like, where's the title? Why is the title not appearing? Head and title. Body? Maybe I go here? I still don't see a title. Oh my god. Where did I put the title? Chat. So it appears. Well, I'll be right back. Position 1. All right, we're back for a little bit. Track me. I took my medicine. Holy shit, guys! It sucks to be congested. I'm just trying to figure out how to make this text appear. I swear I did it earlier. I'll just look it up. Okay, I see it. Oh, that's big. Whatever. Can I just do text? Yeah. I can. Okay. That went by so fast. What the fuck? Okay, when we click the button, one button, add the string 1 to the calculation variable, calculation plus equals 1. Display the calculation in the console. So that would be like on click, right? Plus equal. One.
I'm actually gonna go get a glass of wine.
Okay. Huh. So long. Calculation. It's all together. That's why it's not working. Oh my god. I'm feeling sick. Jesus. Oh, sorry. I'm just like dying and so congested and blowing my nose. What button was this? One? Okay. A little janky, but let's see what happens. Cool. One. I should rest? Probably. I feel like all I've been doing is resting though recently. And every time I come down here, I just get so congested and cough.
We could open the window if you want.
I don't know if that's the issue.
I don't think you could clean up the air purifier.
Oh, I'm just like dying. I was congested this morning too, which is nuts. I'm like approaching the point where a fucking like shooting myself might be a better solution right now.
You're so fucking dramatic.
I'm not dramatic. You have no idea how bad it is to be this congested
Maybe
for no reason.
if you were congested this morning, you should have taken something this morning instead of letting it get worse so you can just complain about it.
Oh, Becca, I can foresee a long, happy life together. Ah, God. I'm just gonna copy paste this shit. It's the same thing over and over, except the plus function and the equal function. Okay.
Are we still gonna play Elden Ring?
Yeah, I'm just trying to solve this puzzle. This
What's the puzzle? Okay.
coding problem. I don't understand the plus function. It's not a number, it's just adding. So is it just plus? Doesn't make sense.
Me, not dog.
Is it just plus? Button is what? Code eval calculation. Display result in constant calculation. Equal sign. Okay, let's try it out. The new one? What do you mean, the new one? 1 plus... Okay, that didn't work. One plus... Nope. Huh. Oh, Night Rain? No. This is just the base game plus DLC. I just don't know how to do the plus function. Like, it tells me to the plus function. Is it gonna be plus plus? What? What the fuck is going on? Hold on. No, that's assuming one. There's plus one. Oh. How do I do a plus function? I don't, I don't understand.
Oh, he's making me so crazy today.
I don't get it. Console log calculation. How do I make... Okay. This is not a very helpful exercise. It told me how to do the equal sign function, but not the plus sign function. Do the same for the 2, 3, and plus buttons. Add plus instead of plus. Plus instead of plus. Like that? That no, that's just the display. Let me think. When you're adding, regardless of what numbers you add, you're adding calculation plus calculation, right? Is that it? Like that, maybe? No. Okay, no. That just combines the two. What about with parentheses? No. I don't get it, chat. I think we're stuck on this one problem. Wait, really? Calculation plus equals plus? Like that or like that? I think that's it, maybe? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Oh. What? 3 plus 3 plus 2 equals 8 plus... I made my first calculator. Okay. That was weird. That makes me want to... It wants me to do the rest of the numbers. I'm just like, oh my god. So with times do plus equals times. We'll stop here for today on the coding. Jesus. You ready, Becca?
Yeah, I've just been waiting.
All right, I was trying to figure out this problem.
Okay.
It's a brain teaser for sure. What do I think about Ash's creation? I think it's got a lot of promise. I'm actually in their creator program. I think I uploaded a short earlier today. It has promise. It's just not finished yet. That's really the issue, right? Alright, plug my controller in. What would it ever be? Well, that's a billion-dollar question, right? They have come a far long way, even the Alpha 2. I played it last year and I played it this year. They made a lot of progress. I gotta look up where we find the other extra key to Raya Lucaria.
Hey, do you want to get in Discord? Do you want to hook up the other invite?
Yeah. Let me... Let's do all that. Oh. Hello?
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you.
I was muted.
Oh my god, Becca wants to collaborate with me? Oh my god.
Oh boy. You're very loud.
Wow.
It's because of my wireless headphones. It's not like you. Oh my god.
You... Okay, I accepted the invite.
Okay. Oh wait, no, that's right. Ah.
You tried it, it's okay, but they already got certain systems infused. It's an alpha, yeah. The botting is a huge issue, and last time I played, someone was flying. That's so
I'm
funny.
going to lose my goddamn mind today.
Oh.
That's still obnoxiously loud. Can you?
Are you talking to me?
Hmm?
What are you talking to? What are you talking about?
I'm talking to my entire computer.
Okay.
Because I am.
Because I am
already
severely overstimulated. Do this.
Where were we?
Did you open your world up already?
Yeah. Oh, not open, but I've started the game.
Okay. Does anybody want a 2-year-old Great Pyrenees? You laugh, but I'm not entirely sure I'm kidding.
The Great Peer Parade.
And I just realized that my game capture is not on the right game. Why is this so loud? I'm gonna beat him.
Bring him down.
I am.
Poor girl. Too loud for his own good. Also, holy shit, the sensitivity on Becca's mic. I can hear myself. Here he is. Huh?
Why do you hear yourself?
I can hear myself on your mic, and I'm not being loud. I can hear my snipples. Your mic is very sensitive.
No, I actually have my mic sensitivity turned insanely down.
Oh, is that your headset mic, maybe?
It shouldn't be.
Okay. Well,
Hold on. Let me check my settings and such. Turn this even more down. Lay down. You're making me crazy. Damn dog. Oh.
it's okay, girl. Someone will love you. Up. Yeah. Oh God. There's something going on. Is it allergies? Do I have the flu? The Wuhan virus 3.0? No, we haven't killed her yet. Or beat her, rather. Ugh. I'm gonna open my world up. You open this beautiful, you use this Y-hander. I just our anchor boy.
Okay, well, I've done everything I can. Oh, remember how to play this game.
Never really leaves you after you play it.
That's me.
You two need to watch all of One Piece. I actually mentioned it the other day to Becca. Becca, would you like to watch season 1 of One Piece with me?
Let's circle back on that.
Would you like to watch all 1,000 episodes of season 1? That'd be fun. Alright, hello. Hello, wizard. I too am a wizard. With an anchor.
Why are you so loud?
I don't know, baby. I haven't changed anything on my end.
I haven't changed anything on my end either.
I don't know, then probably lowering my volume. Tinker with your sound system. It sounds like a sound system.
I've been tinkering. This dog.
I think my congestion's getting better, guys. Holy crap.
Imagine what happens when you take medicine.
I will not take the white man's medicine. You can actually real co-op Elden Ring now? No, it's a mod. And it's got some issues if you don't sit down at a grave site at the same time. But other than that, it's 80% okay. It's called Seamless Co-op. It's not super seamless, though. So this is Becca. She has a hood. It's a very pointy hood. And she happens to be from the south. Your mic's off. I can't hear you.
No, my mic is on.
There you go.
I just had the input volume down really low because you're being so loud.
I'm not being loud though. Alright, I'll whisper. I'll whisper into your ear.
There's some things I need to get.
Like what?
Like a divider with acoustical panels.
Well, I mean, maybe one of us can go in the... I can go in the other room when it's time, you know? There's a whole other room that we could consider using.
Oh, you want to move spaces? That
If we can't figure out
would be
acoustic.
a lot of work.
Acoustics?
I have an idea.
Like a divider? I don't
Yeah,
think
so
that'll
like
work.
literally.
I don't think that'll work.
Why?
I mean, we're really close to each other.
You have more space than I do. I can't move any further back.
I know. All right.
But you don't even know what my idea is, so you can't just decide it won't work.
Okay. What's your idea?
To get a room divider that is the proper height to go, I don't know, probably about 5 feet high, and get adhesive acoustics, like those little acoustic squares or hexagons that like you put on the walls or whatever, and put it on both sides of the panel, the room divider, and like put it between our desks.
Okay. All right, let's go.
What are we doing?
We're going to Hogwarts.
I don't believe you.
No, I'm serious. This is Hogwarts. How come Becca never believes me, guys?
It is not going to be like Hogwarts. Things are going to try and kill me, and will most likely succeed.
I think there's a version this way. Actually, I have no idea.
What is this?
Hold on, can you give me a second?
Mm-hmm.
Are you guys scientists by trade or Pokemon professors? I'm a Pokemon professor.
I'm just a ghoul. You too. Monday has been very aggressive today. Wrench of Moloch Ball. You know he's really not a good guy, right, Lenny? Ah, wait. I'm knocking things over. Unintentionally. He's a cretin. He is. Cretin.
All right. I'm good. You didn't explore? Oh, hey.
No, I'm not going anywhere by myself.
Be summoned to assist Yura, Hunter of Bloody Fingers. You should interact with it. I did.
Well, I started to, but you did it first, so now I'm in a loading screen.
Oh, good. It takes us both. I have no idea how it works. This co-op mod.
Sure. Grr. I'm gonna beat you up.
Kurt, do you love me? Would you die for me?
We can find out.
Why are you breathing so heavily? He's excited about something. He smells something. Where's this guy?
Summon to another world.
Go.
Where are we going?
Why
are we going?
We're gonna help Yura.
This doesn't seem like something I want to be doing, to be honest.
He's hitting me. Oh, there's two of them.
Ah,
Wait.
That was me.
Oh, that's you.
Oh my god.
You hit me, so I was like, ow! What are you hitting me?
You started it.
Jesus.
You hit me first.
This guy's tanky as fuck.
You can beat him in a 1v1. I so could not. There's no way.
We did it.
I have no DPS. I don't really know what we did.
We helped Yura. The NPC? The Dragon Slayer dude? I don't know. The guy saved us.
You don't even know.
The guy saved us, you know, that one time? Near Patch's Cave?
I vaguely remember.
Cool. Get some rewards. Good night, Kaya.
Good night.
What's down there? I have no idea. Looks like I would die. Golden Sea. There we go back.
Where are we even going? And how do we get back?
We jump.
Oh.
Oh, he's right here.
Hey, there's a...
Let's talk to him.
Beautiful work. Felling that dragon. And as such, there's something you might like to know. The heart you brought back. It's used in dragon communion. If you should find yourself overcome by hunger for the heart, yearning for its strength, then seek the decrepit church on the little island of...
We know that already.
You must not forget those who partake in
Do we?
dragon communion.
Yeah, I took you to Dragon Church. You can exchange dragon hearts for your dragon spells.
Their hunger for dragon.
Right.
Their yearning
But if you eat too many dragon hearts, you turn into a dragon, Becca.
until the floodgates burst.
Or not a dragon. One of those like lizard
Unleashing
things.
eternal torment. The strength of a mighty dragon.
I see.
Magnificent.
Do I have to keep talking
It's
to
no
him?
surprise
Yeah.
the dragon communion
I guess so.
is ruinous. You must not forget those who pay
Okay.
their hunger to...
Yeah, we don't have to play Elden Ring if you're bored with it.
I'm not... What?
Every time we play, you yawn a lot.
I work a full day before we do anything.
I see.
I am permanently tired. Okay?
Okay. You showed me a picture of you when you were like a kid. You look tired. Mm-hmm. Were you just born tired?
Not even just a kid. I was like literally an infant. Uh-oh. Oh, I think my controller might need to charge. Which means I'm gonna have to go. Oh, no, I can just use this one. Never mind.
Okay.
Hold on, give me a second. I assume my controller is trying to die because it just like randomly turned off. So go away, grr. Be gone.
Welcome to Hogwarts.
We'll see.
It's Hogwarts. Literally. The Academy of Raya Lucaria. Did you put your name in the bottom bar? Dumbledore asked calmly.
Does this mean this is also where those wizards are?
There's something here.
Oh good, we're avoiding the question.
Yes, wizards. Magic.
Danger. Death.
School. Oh.
Destruction. I hear them. Oh, why is there so many of them?
It's your school.
Target. Hold on, I'm here. Nom 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 nom. Ah! Oh my god.
Oh, you're going crazy.
Apparently my depth perception is shit today because I did not think they were that close. Sure. Oops.
Is that it?
I have no idea.
Items. Oh, more items back here. Oh. Grace, just in case. Welcome to school. School is a wonderful place to learn and stuff.
And stuff.
I don't know what else.
Oh. Oh, I don't do like any damage.
Ah, help!
Ah.
You're gonna have to use your sword. I think everything here has magic resistance.
Cool. Ah.
Including the boss.
So I'm completely useless here.
No. You have a sword.
Nope. I definitely am.
You have a sword.
Even my sword uses magic. What do you mean?
Oh, that's it. Oh!
Okay, well, that was nice of you. Ah. Wait, I can't.
Alright, let's get going.
There's definitely things.
There's a lot. They're hidden in the shrubs. Careful, they're on lunge.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, there's more rising from the graves.
Ow! Oh, he's eating me. Let go of me. Ah! Oh my god. Get off of me! I'm gonna die.
Oh,
There's so many of them.
I'm coming. I just have to take care of 3.
3? I've been fighting like 6 of them.
I mean,
The fuck?
why are we fighting 6 of them?
Because you started aggroing these guys and then disappeared.
They just aggro on their own.
Well, that's not true, because these guys have been sitting here over by the bridge, minding their own business. Ah. I'm coming, I'm coming.
Dog.
Oh! No! God damn it.
What? Oh,
I was so afraid of accidentally falling off the bridge. And then I panicked. I hit the wrong button. And I fell off the bridge.
Sanj. Are you respawning?
I'm in a loading screen.
My game froze. Oh, okay. My game froze. I think this is respawning.
Yeah. I don't know where I am. Or where I'm supposed to go. I'm back at the lake-facing cliffs. Where?
Can you port? To
I don't know where to...
Ryocaria. Academy. There should be a grace called Church of the Cuckoo. In the massive building structure.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So we have to cross the bridge, and then we have to drop down to this area here to our left, I think.
Ah,
Get at these
something's
guys.
shooting at me.
These
Oh
guys
my
up
God.
here.
Where are they? You said you dropped down over here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
And so you get up here, and you get this item. Ow. And then we drop down again. Because there's another area apart from that. But I think. Yeah. It's been a while.
Where?
Just drop down again, the same area.
After having just fallen off the bridge, I'm a little weary of dropping down. Okay?
You have to conquer your fear, Rebecca, of the gravity.
I don't feel comfortable fighting anything on this edge.
And I guess that's it. Huh. We just went all the way right back.
Yeah, we went in a circle.
Alright. Where's that shining sound coming from? There's so many of them.
There is. I do not. Ah. Like it.
Alright. Not bad. Killing every single zombie. Easy. Where's that sound coming from? Dog.
There's dogs. Ah, there's a couple of dogs. Oh no. Bad dogs. Oh my god. I'm gonna die to dogs. This is so unfortunate. Ah. Nope.
Oh, there's so many. Ah, that guy's huge.
Yeah. That's unpleasant.
The dogs are definitely the worst enemies. Some of the worst enemies.
I thought the birds were the worst.
Dogs and birds. Oh, here it is.
Ah, damn it. That's not what I meant to do.
We're almost there.
Are we? Where exactly is there?
I don't know. Hogwarts. Oh, yeah, this guy.
This is not a Hogwarts.
How do you know? This is Hagrid.
I know enough to know. Ah. Okay, well, I'll let you handle that.
Chill.
Running out of healing potions.
Oh!
Ow.
He's dead. Pillage him.
Well,
You got a
I'm
spell.
almost dead too. Gravity well. How do you get up there?
Come this from this angle. It's a little higher. Yeah.
Let's see.
Gravity magic, Becca. Look at that. You're invincible now.
Whatever that means. Honestly, it feels like the majority of the spells suck.
Gotta jump on the platform here.
That doesn't sound good at all. Huh?
And then we gotta jump off here soon somewhere.
That
To the
sounds
left, I think?
possibly worse.
Yeah, left.
Huh, wait. How?
You're fine.
Forewarning.
I said left.
Yeah, but you didn't say win. You just said left.
There's an item here. This little cave. Well, it's crystal darts. How do I get to that item?
Here we go in.
Oh, there's a ramp up here.
Gur, stop that.
Oh. We can ride this.
But there's a inside over there.
I know. Let's ride.
Okay.
And
This
then
feels like a
jump
bad
off
idea.
at the sledge right here.
Oh.
Yeah. You're so good.
Ah.
There's nothing there.
And what was the point in this?
To explore. To find secrets.
Weren't we supposed to go inside?
we could've
There's
just-
an inside. Oh, all right.
Alright, yeah, let's go inside. You can rest here.
Okay.
Maybe we can level up. Yeah, we can level up.
What did I need? I think I need
Intelligence.
faith, but I also want intelligence. Oh, I can do both. Works. Oh, wait, I wanted to look at the spells. Oh, well, I guess.
We can set that again.
Oh, I forgot I have another spell slot.
Yeah.
Pulls foes toward caster with gravity project. I don't want them getting closer to me.
Maybe you might. Maybe you might.
I don't. I mean, that's too much of a delay.
Crystal Burst is good.
I don't particularly care for the crystal burst.
It's a shotgun blast.
It's really not that good.
Casting is powerful, but honestly way more difficult. Yeah, early game magic build can be a little hard.
I wonder what this one does. Okay, I'm ready. Ba-ba-ba-ba. I'm gonna try a flame spell. This should be fun.
Okay. This way.
Ah,
Alright. Hello. Hello. Ooh, a scroll. You can learn more spells. With that from
A
that
chest.
turtle guy. Cookbook. We can craft
A
more items.
cookbook. Oh, these crystals.
You can roll into them and break them.
It's a dead end. No, I want the whole thing. I want it. Oh, right.
We're breaking into Hogwarts.
Like a Hogwarts, if it was a horror movie, I feel like.
Hogwarts is a horror movie. Oh, it's a jar!
Well, that's unfortunate.
I mean, they're just spamming spells.
Ow! I'm gonna die. Okay. I think a jar rolled into me.
Yeah. I call it that. There's a jar.
That was unfortunate.
I might die.
I did die.
Oh god. Another
Thank you
one?
for trying to mess around with things.
I need help. Nice.
Sorry for the delay. I died.
It's okay. You should look into wearing. Do you get anything like a robe? I got a robe.
Nope.
Can't open from this side. Okay. Ah, there we go.
Ah!
All right. Welcome to Hogwarts. All right. We're almost there.
Oh, you've yet to tell me where there is.
Boss.
Oh,
I don't think this
no,
guy's
thank you.
resistant to magic, so. Come, Becca. It's time.
I don't want to.
It's the sorting hat.
It's not the sorting hat.
It's a sorting hat.
It's Voldemort.
No.
Ah. You're right. It's fluffy.
It's very squishy. Your spells aren't hitting it.
It's very mobile. You don't say. I do have eyes, you know.
Ah! Oh boy.
Oh god. Very fast.
Nice.
That is... No. That's not what I wanted to do. I'm gonna die.
Me too. You mean?
I'm out of
You.
health potions.
What?
I can't.
I got you, baby.
I tried to tell you. God
I
damn
got
it.
you, boo. Ow. Oh! It's gonna die. We did it.
Maybe.
Oh, we got a memory stone. You can do another spell slot.
Memory stone. That's nice.
And here's a grace. We can say
With
here.
my little army.
Inside a what? 7 spell? 6 spell? I have 5 spells.
No, this makes 5. Oh, I don't know. None of these are really all that good.
I think you can level up.
I don't know that I can.
Oh, right, you're a higher level than me.
I can try this, I guess. Oh, I guess I can.
I forgot how we do Sorceress Selene's quest line.
Really do pick up some interesting things in this game. Oh, I could do marionette soldiers. That could be fun.
Alright. Onward to Hogwarts.
You keep saying that.
Well, we're in Hogwarts now, for reals.
Uh-oh. Alright. Let me change something very quickly.
You have to sit down?
No. I don't need to sit. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Kill the crabs. There's
The crabs. Oh, poor little guy.
Oh, stones for key up here.
Hold up. Couldn't even get up there. Yeah. I didn't even see that guy there.
Hey, look, that thing's coming. The version abductor, whatever.
I'm sorry, the what?
The version abductor.
Oh boy. Are we fighting that?
Yeah. Well, just don't let it grab you. It opens up and arms and shit. Oh, it's gonna spin.
I think I'll stay at a distance. This actually doesn't do any damage. It did damage to the crab, though.
Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Hi.
It's gonna start spinning again.
Okay, well, I am not a fan of this place, personally.
It's gonna spin again. Run! No? Oh, nice. That was a hard one to beat. So that was a hard one to beat. So many crabs.
Crab eggs. Poor little crabs. Sorry, crabs.
Golden seed.
They're so hard to see. I have a feeling I've been left behind.
No.
Hey,
It's over
look,
here.
a tree.
Some items. Ah! There's a trap.
Well, that's a much larger crab
Yeah.
that you've, damn it, decided to mess with.
Oh, I'm asleep. Put me to sleep. Never mind, I'm back. Oh, I'm asleep again. Never mind, I'm back.
Oh my god. Kurt, what are you doing? No. No.
Crab eggs. And there's more items
You're
back here.
butthead today. Back where?
Back here, past crab. You're this way.
Oh. What the?
Yank your choice, thank you, Letta. Come, Becca. There's much more to explore. So much to explore in Hogwarts.
I think you mean so much more things to try and kill us.
It's not that bad. It's better than Hogwarts. It's safer than Hogwarts.
What? I'd rather go to Hogwarts. Ah, there's a jar.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm sorry. Wait. Hold on.
So cute.
It is. It's very depressing that we have to kill them. Oh, they hit so hard for little jars. Oh, I got a staff.
Ooh, nice. We can see if that one's better than what you have.
Yeah.
Oh god. Okay. Spamming spells. Like crazy.
I think it is better, but I don't have intelligence high enough to use it yet. I think I'm only like 1 point away though. Oh, you missed a guy down here. He's trying to attack you through the wall.
Alright. Ooh, item. Glintstone wet blade. What is that?
That looks like a crystal.
I think it's for sharpening your staff or something.
Oh.
I don't know. Oh, nice. Let's go over here.
This feels like the wrong way. Ah.
It just goes out to the courtyard.
Oh, there's an item over here.
Yep. And then we drop down over here.
Oh, what?
Yep. The roofs of Hogwarts, Becca.
Okay.
Oh yeah, these guys.
Okay, what do you want to have with dinner tonight?
What time is it right now? It's almost 6 already. We'll even have dinner.
What? I mean, I guess if you want, we can just grab some meatballs and bring them down here. Just have meatballs for dinner.
Meatballs. Some Swedish meatballs.
Not exactly. They're cranberry and jalapeno.
Elias's Swedish meatballs, Becca.
Okay, stop it. You can starve.
Wow. That's mean. Also, there's birds.
Well, good luck.
Oh, they're not really birds. They're like... I don't know.
Ah. Oh, God. I wasn't expecting that.
Oh, he's casting Guardian Leviosa or some shit.
I have that spell? Get away from me with your scythe. Ah! Oh, it has bleed on it. Of course it does.
Heal yourself, Becca.
It's a lot of work.
Is there anything over here? Let's see. There's an item. Meteor bolt. Did we drop down here? Just not sure how we get that thing up there. Oh, I think there was a ladder up there. Fuck. Oh well.
Oh. Too late now.
Nope. The roof.
Are we stuck on the roofs of Hogwarts?
No.
Running around like Krampus?
Krampus.
Ah! Yeah, because there's no way in hell with Santa. Ow! Stop it.
Alright.
It's not the weapon I thought I had equipped.
This way? Maybe? Yeah. Oh, there's a ladder up here. Well, we should get that item over there. Ooh, an imbued sword key.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
They do a lot of spinning.
Yeah.
Oh, I think he fell down trying to get to me. Haha.
There's an item over here.
Loser. Oh, behind you.
Did you fall?
This little
He fell.
bird thing. There's two of them. How'd they both fall?
Into this building, Becca. Be careful. There's an item over there.
I see.
And then... if you look down, there's an item here somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, yeah, right on the chandelier, if you see it. Maybe I can
Oh, I see it.
jump down here. Jump down here. Hey, an Academy Glintstone Key. You can drop down this bridge. Ah!
Came out of nowhere.
There's an item. Ooh, Shattering Crystal. A spell.
A spell that I can't even use in this area. Oh, turn around. Turn around.
And, is there anything out here? Oh, there's a crab thing.
This looks like a special crab.
Oh!
A crown. I want to wear it.
Greatly
What does it do?
increases intelligence to the detriment of HP and stamina. So, you could wear it. It's for you.
Oh. Okay, it's not just a crown. Now I have 2 heads.
Okay, now we go this way.
I bet this thing is heavy.
Probably.
It would break my neck.
Jesus.
What's this guy?
Oh.
High page clothes. I got some clothes.
You might want this one.
Oh, it's actually worse than what I have.
Maybe.
Hmm?
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Sucks.
Oh, another staff. Yeah, the clothes that I just picked up are worse than what I have. Which is still the beginners. Oh, it has to be intelligence 52.
Let's port to the schoolhouse classroom.
Do I even have that?
Yeah, you do. It's where we beat the red fox, red wolf. Or wait, debate parlor?
I see.
Debate parlor, maybe. Let's pick these things up. Yeah, Kodiak.
Nephis is a
Thanks for
liar,
62 months pro.
a bully,
I'm drinking.
and he's toxic.
So try debate parlor, but I think I got mixed up the 2 locations.
What? I literally just loaded in.
Okay. We shouldn't have to kill anything because we didn't rest, so we can keep going. Ha ha ha. I guess we rested somewhere? Huh. Come, Becca, we have to run now. That thing is here.
Oh no.
It's okay.
That thing.
Just drop down here. It won't reach us. And then the ball will roll down. But there's an item right there. Oh my god. Doesn't look like it touches the right side. Oh, it does.
It does. Oh god.
Oh my god.
That was terrible advice. You suck.
My bad. My bad, Becca. I'm sorry.
Can you please give me my runes? Hello? Jesus. Ah!
You did it.
No help from you.
Where does this portal go? Becca is a drip queen. What language am I learning? JavaScript, TypeScript, Python. Let's see. Where do we go? Where does this take us? Balls.
Are we traveling through here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I just don't know where it takes
Bad
us. Oh. Oh. Well, that sucks.
Something tells me we shouldn't have gone through there.
No, it's just that we need to port back and do that all over again. But you can give him
Greetings.
you can give him your scrolls and shit.
Is there
They
something
can learn spells.
Why do you hate me?
in the air now? The grim. You would do severing. You know, it's a famed sculptor of the Erd Tree capital was once summoned to render Lord Radigan's likeness in giant stature when he glimpsed the skeleton in Radigan's closet. And as such, it's said the great statue harbors his secret too.
You got carrying greatsword, star shower. What else you got? Swift glintstone shard. Greater glintstone shard. Not bad. Could be worse. Alright. Well, back to the debate parlor. Shall we?
Yeah. Just, I don't know. Sure.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just trying to look at equipment.
Oh.
But for whatever reason, both staffs and clothing that I picked up are not as good as what I already have. Which really doesn't make any sense.
All right. Look at him. He's standing there, menacingly. Oh wait, he's walking towards us.
Oh, this guy.
Grub. Carrion Knight. He likes parrying, so I gotta be careful here.
Pop, 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 pop.
Oh! He parried me. He's a long magic sword. Oh my god. Jesus. Nice.
Ah!
Oh god. Moongrim. Oh, be careful. Nice. He's dead. It's over. Oh my god. A little shield. Not bad. It's nice. What's down there? Or down here? Oh, is this the hallway? That we can open?
It does indeed look like a hallway.
Yeah. This just goes back where we came from.
Sit. Sit. Grr. Sit. Grr. Hey.
Grr.
Sit.
He side-eyed me.
Gosh, I'm being such a butt today. Ah!
What? Why do you go that way?
What?
Come.
Because I thought that's the...
No.
Oh my god.
said-
Oh my god.
I said that goes back the way we came. Not that we need to go through it.
Oh.
This way.
What?
Yeah. Open this door. There's a ladder. You can climb back there. And it's the guy summoning these black balls. Yeah. Oh my god.
Ah!
We both break at the
Are
same
you
time.
kidding me? No, wait.
Oh, okay.
You die.
No. But I won't need help. Easy. Stop their balls.
Okay.
Glintstone Scarab. Oh, is this a talisman? What is a Glintstone Scarab? Oh, I forgot. Oh no, it's a helmet. Slightly reduces the FP cost of sorceries, but increases your damage taken. It's a hat. You have a scarab hat.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one for sure.
Could be good. You never know.
I already take enough damage. I won't survive.
Okay. Well, let's go. Oh, item.
There's another item down below as well.
Is there?
No, it's not. It's a
It's that portal we
portal.
took.
My bad. To nowhere.
To the turtle poop.
Right. To nowhere.
That's right, items
Here we
here.
go.
Back to the garden. Oh, here we go.
Huh? Where are we going?
Boss fight.
We already had a boss fight.
It's another boss fight.
No, thank you.
I only have 2 health pots left, so.
I have one.
Well then.
Uh-huh.
Alright. Good luck, everybody.
Which fight is this?
The mage.
With all of her creepy babies?
Mm-hmm. You have to find the one that's glowing. Give me them toes.
Stay away from my toes.
Hush, little Calva. I'll soon birth thee anew, a sweeting, fresh and pure.
Okay.
I... The glowing ones, right?
Yeah. Crack their golden shield and she'll fall down after the third one. Alright, now go towards her. And then we beat the shit out of her. Oh, right, that happens too.
Wow. That would have been good to know, because,
Oh, she's get behind the bookshelves.
where are the bookshelves?
Here, where I'm at. And just run. Keep running around.
Okay.
Okay, I think she's done.
This is
No?
super duper helpful.
It's because she's gonna throw her shit at us. Okay. I got the second one. I got the third one.
Okay. Well, sounds like you're making
Wait.
excellent progress.
No, sorry, that was the second one.
I've got one.
Nice. She's gonna fall down. Get away from her. I think we have a little bit more time, but I didn't want to risk it.
Come, sweetings. Time to be born.
Where the fuck is this other one?
Ah, where am I?
I found it.
Oh. What? I found two right next to each other.
Nice.
Ah. Oh, they're throwing books at me.
Is she coming down? Can't tell.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Fuck her up. Fuck her up. Oh. Oh, I barely got out of there.
Ah. Cute little things in their fire bits.
It's only because the ones with the golden shields can be behind the bookshelves. I found them.
You did find them?
Yeah, and the one behind the bookshelf. Okay, I'm dead.
What? How did you manage that? What do you
A
mean
chandelier
you're
fell on me.
What?
I think she threw a chandelier at me.
Why?
Just,
Ow.
you do it, Becca. I believe in you.
Oh, they're throwing books at me. I can't do it. I have no more health potions. Ah, a chandelier fell on me.
Alright, well. You can notice the servant's heads will start to glow again when she's about to form a new bubble into the explosion. Interesting. Well, now we gotta go back and kill her, Becca. Now that we have more, you know, health flasks. Now is when Nephis says, "How did you manage that, Becca?" Yeah, Becca, how did you manage that? How'd you die? The chandelier. Alright. Ready?
Sure.
Alright, let's go. I wanna swing. Like a, what was that song again? Like a chandelier. Blah blah blah.
From
Wrecking
the
Ball.
chandelier. No, those are different songs.
Oh, are they? Oh, no. They all kind of sound the same to me these days, you know what I mean? Alright.
I really don't want to do this part again.
There shouldn't be any. Oh, actually, never mind. They're back. I forgot they respawn.
That's not a surprise.
No, wait, they're not doing it. Easy.
It did come in like a wrecking ball. That's true.
Now we just call the elevator, get our runes, mess her up. Sorry, I thought I pulled it. Is this ADA compliant? The elevator?
No, not at all.
It's an elevator. Alright. Here we go again. Where are my runes?
Where are my runes? Oh no, how am I gonna find my runes?
Where did you die? I died like...
Over here, apparently.
Oh, I found my runes.
Ah! Books. No, stop it.
She's gonna fall, I think.
Ooh.
One more. Ah! What are they fucking saying? I don't know.
Avoid chandeliers. It sounds like a nursery rhyme.
No. 6, 7. Oh god, I'm being hit by books.
Well, maybe try not doing that. Ow! What the fuck? Ah.
She's following it. Ah! She threw shit at me.
Okay. Coming down yet?
Yeah, she fell.
Yep. Ah, wait.
Come, sweetings.
Ow, fucking books, god damn it.
Oh, the Hogwarts.
Time to be born.
It's Hogwarts.
This
Let
is
me
not
see.
Hogwarts.
With knowledge. Knowledge! Ugh.
Where the hell
She
are
done yet?
these?
Time to be born.
No. We still have
found
to
one.
find them.
I found one by the bookshelf.
Oh,
One's in the center of the room.
One's blowing fire.
One's hanging upside down for some reason.
Ah.
She done yet? Kill her!
Oh, did she come down?
Yes.
Wait, hold on, I'm slow. Look at the big old feet. Oh!
Nice.
Okay.
Easy. Phase 2.
What?
There's a phase 2. Look at her. She's crawling on the
She
floor.
has a very tiny head for her body.
My beloved. Have no fear.
Thanks for
I
the
will
follow.
hold thee. Patience.
I love how her characters just like stare at her as this happens. It's like Dragon Ball Z that you just watch them power her up.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like punch them.
Thanks for the follow.
Oh man.
Upon my name is Rani the Witch.
Oh.
Mother's rich slumber shall not be disturbed by thee. Foul trespasser. Send word far and wide. Of the last queen of Caria, Renala of the full moon.
Okay.
And the majesty of the night she conjureth.
Oh, run! Oh, run!
Yeah. Thanks for this sub with your Prime Reaper. I appreciate it. I'm trying to scare myself not to die.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, why is she a moon?
That moon's gonna explode. When it touches the ground.
So, avoid the moon.
Yeah, avoid the moon. You can get that spell, by the way, that laser beam. She's resistant to magic, so heads up.
Okay.
So you have to go melee.
Ow. No.
You died?
What? Yeah, I died.
What?
I got fucking one-shotted. What was that?
A spell?
You don't say.
What? Get back here, scum. Okay, that's fucked up. Okay. Alright.
Oh, it's a dragon.
She's an asshole.
I want a dragon. The laser beams are strong, especially for the sector testing and stuff. Yeah, that wasn't fun.
Oh!
At least with one shot in the boss in the game.
Yeesh.
That's a troll.
Okay.
You're doing great.
Die, scum. This is an illusion you're fighting, I'm sure. Ah,
You did it. Congratulations.
you did it.
No, that was definitely you. You did it.
But how did you die?
I died.
How did you die?
I got one-shotted with those laser beams.
Are you alive?
Did he flee, my sweetings?
Are you alive?
Come out from whence he
I'm in a
hides.
loading screen,
There are books.
but I don't know what happens after I die in a boss fight.
Not. Come out, say I.
Ah.
Will he be gravestones?
Oh, no. I'm still dead. You have to go say the grace.
Okay.
anew?
Which, oddly enough, that's me over there.
Ooh, we got so many runes from this fight. Can level like 1, 2, 3, 4 times.
I'm very confused about what's happening right now. Oh, wait. I might be loading back in. I lied. Nothing's happening.
Really?
Really.
Where did he
Well?
flee, my sweetings? Come
I see you.
out
You're
from
alive.
whence he hide.
But I can see me
There are
through
books
you
and
also.
light
Huh.
aplenty. Dither not. Come out, say I.
But I can't use any of
Will
my
he be
controls.
gravestones
Should I try separating us then?
to be better born than you?
Perhaps. Because right now you're just running in place on my screen. Ah, yes. Seamless co-op.
Ah.
So seamless.
Okay.
I still can't, like, it kicked me out of your world, but I can't do anything.
Weird. They just like completely bug you out.
Maybe. Okay, hold on.
Where did he flee, my sweetings? Come out from when? Ah, is it thy to become?
Grr.
Be not
Okay, I
alive.
think.
would
No?
birth
What is happening? Now my controller keeps turning off.
Huh.
Oh, if this Monday could just stop, that would be so great.
Well, let me take care of something while you load back in and figure it out.
Mostly while I just try to figure it out. Go. Because I simply just cannot. Be gone, dog. I don't actually have. Maybe. God. Oh, that's. Gesundheit. Technical difficulties is the theme of the day. And not a single.
God damn, falling sick again. Somehow. And yeah, when Becca woke up, her computer reset her Windows profile, so she lost everything. Her Minecraft saves, her OBS settings. But then it miraculously came back. You have those more and more since you passed 30. I've also passed 30. Maybe that's why I'm dying. Maybe I should just shoot myself at this point, you know what I mean?
Jesus Christ. Shut the fuck up.
You're so dramatic.
I have a few types of guns. I have a handgun, a shotgun, and a AR-15. Which gun should I use to shoot myself with?
You are getting on my nerves.
Now, if I want to leave a big mess, I could use a shotgun. You know? In Minecraft. I don't care. I don't care, Kodiak. I'm just kidding. But anyway. God, I fucking... Congestion is so bad.
Be so messy for me, but that's in school.
Kurt Cobain, POV. No, I wouldn't make it messy for Becca.
Yes, you would. That's literally your whole goal.
What?
It is. No.
I won't be streaming next week. Just a heads up, chat. Business trip.
Okay. We have two options.
Yeah?
I can go try and scrounge around upstairs for a charger that might work. Or we can call it here.
I mean, it's dinner time.
I don't have a whole lot of options.
We'll just pick it up tomorrow. I have no idea what we're going to do tomorrow, though, in Elden Ring. I forget what I did. Did I go straight to the plateau, or did I go over here? Where the fuck is Ronnie? I forget where she is. I mean, I guess there's that map. We can call it here then, Becca. It's no big deal.
Okay.
We have to eat before... We only have like 30 some minutes left to eat.
I know. Okay.
Well, Chad, sorry for the technical difficulties and the congestion. But apparently I'm really sick. Again. By the way, this character lets you respec your character.
Art thou?
And also change your character's, like, design.
I see. Okay.
Be not alive.
But we need the larval tier to respec our stats.
What would that mean?
It's an item you get from killing the big-ass bears. The really big-ass bears.
Gotcha.
Just keep coding the new MMO, ESO 2.0, that'd be... No. God, it's so bad. Alright.
Well, I will do what I can to locate a charger so that I have my controller tomorrow.
Let's raid Ling. I'm gonna raid Ling. He's playing Path of Exile too. Oh, God. You too, Reaper. Say goodbye to
Thanks for watching, guys.
Oh, God. Grr.